Hello TV fam! Welcome sa panibagong vlog. Pupuntahan lang naman natin ang isa sa mga pasyalan dito sa Richmond, BC. Ito ay ang UU Farms. And take note, isa lang naman tong bakuran ng isa sa mga mayayaman dito sa Richmond. Kaya tignan natin kung anong pwede makita dito. Tara na!
Can we feed any animal or?
Except for the cow and
Except for
the
the cow.
smallest goats. The
The
other
baby.
animals
Okay.
is able to.
Okay, do you want to buy?
One cup is how much?
3 or 2 for 5?
Just one.
Yeah, we'll get just one. Just one.
So,
This is some rich family's backyard.
pumunta kami dito. The entrance fee is 20 bucks? 20 bucks na?
20.
$20.
Free yung
$20 sa adult and then free ang kids. Backyard lang to ng may-ari. Take note. Yan, pakita namin sa iyo ah. Ayan. That's the backyard. Oh, diba? Yayamanin ng may-ari. Yan. Ayan, may goat. See that goat? Then they can feed a pony.
Come here. Feed stuff.
What do I do? Put it in your hand?
No, I don't trust it like Switch.
You don't trust it like Switch.
Okay, I'm gonna go here. Come on, come on.
Run, Clark, run! Good job! Cal, ano masasabi mo sa backyard? So, $20 per person. And at the back, and that house, yan yung bahay niya. Nakikita nyo ba yung mansion sa likod? Yan yung bahay ng may-ari.
Here, goats.
Oh, there's ponies. Yay!
Come here. Look, I'm gonna feed them. Clark, can you just lick my hands? Or he wants leaves?
Nice.
Okay, he's vegan. Okay.
Come on, let's go, Clark. Here's the pony. Come, pony.
Clark, come here.
The pony's running away. Sabi ko, busog na ako eh. Pinapakain mo pa ako. Just chase them away. Tignan natin yung pond nila. Oh wow, syempre may golf cart. Oh, malamang yan yung mga anak ng may-ari. Bakit?
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in. So wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love.
Hi, baby girl. Hi.
Know it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will
Ikaw ba naman yung pakainin ng buong araw?
tomorrow is another day.
Ito na lang ako. Kaya nga sabi ko isa lang pakain niya eh, kasi ayaw niya nang kumain. Ducky! So ganito lang mga trip ng mga mayayaman dito sa Richmond.
Pagkakitaan
Yeah.
yung mga mahihirap.
Bali, maglagay ka lang ng mga ilang pato, ponies, swan, and then mag-charge ka ng $20 per head.
Mahal kasi ng pony din.
Not to mention yung feed kumikita din sila dyan that's pretty expensive, $3 for a cup. Tapos,
Ay, mga
I'm assuming ito yung
sheep.
farm. Ito yung farm nila.
They're like, okay guys.
Ano yung Jeff?
What? Food?
think you're allowed to feed the...
Ooh.
You want milk? You want to feed him?
Yeah. Ducky. Ducky. Yes, they're full.
Ay, may din sila. Parang goat.
You like it?
Say hi, sheep. Hi, sheep. Let's take a photo with them. Hi. Babe ko yung anak mo.
Hey, buddy.
Give him food, Kyle.
I'm not giving him.
Here, you give me some. Please.
Allah, you have the food, Kyle.
Sorry. Like, do you want?
No, don't. Say hi. My name is Clark. How are you guys? Wanna touch them?
No.
Having fun yet? Grabe.
Guys, ano?
Ang laki mo na, Kat.
For your birthday or something.
What? I didn't hear you. What did you say?
Bring your friends here on your birthday. Oh, no.
Approved. Good business model. Yeah. Yeah guys, ito nga palang UU Farm is in Richmond, Sidaway Road. Around 5-10 minutes away from our location. I like this goat. He's like a king goat.
Queen?
King with a beard. Hey, Mr. Goat.
Try some meat.
No? It's yummy. Oh, too much?
He's like so upset with you.
Okay, I guess it's done. See you.
Look at his hips. He's like,
Go.
Goat.
Oh, dig.
Oh, you like the leaves? Yeah, like the leaves. Yeah. Mm.
Here?
One more? Ooh. Catch them, Clark. Catch them.
don't make him stand. Okay, leave him.
No, he wants to get
Okay.
Here, birdie, birdie. Birdie, birdie. Yeah, ikaw ba naman ang pakainin buong araw? Buffet? Sino bang hindi mabubusog doon? You know, still half a cup. Oh, ikaw na lang, Carl. Carl! Clark! How about you? Clark!
Yeah.
Are they the same? Alright, that's it. Time to go. The sun is setting. At mag-dinner na tayo.
Kami naman ang papakainin.